Good afternoon. My name is Robert Gregg, and I'm a personal injury lawyer practicing in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, mainly in the area of car accidents. And a lot of times clients ask me, exactly what am I entitled to when I am in an accident? And if you're in an accident and it was not your fault, you're entitled to all costs and expenses caused by the negligence of the at-party that was fault. Those expenses include all necessary repairs to restore your vehicle to its pre-damaged appearance, safety, and function, a replacement rental vehicle or payment for loss of use from the date of the damage until you pick up your vehicle, payment for any out-of-pocket expenses such as police reports requested by the insurance company, mileage and time expenses to obtain repair estimates, dealing with the claim representative, body shop, etc. Payment for any personal property that was damaged, including child care seats, CDs, cassette tapes, sunglasses, golf clubs, clothes, etc. You're also entitled to payment for the diminished value of your vehicle due to the repaired damage and the damage history, referred to as inherent diminished value. Payment for all medical bills associated with any injuries sustained in the accident, lost wages, required services, loss of consortium, and pain and suffering. If you or a loved one has been involved in an accident and has suffered injuries, call the law office of Robert Gregg. We will help seek you justice.